What's up, internet people? It's Doc from Doc Rock Tips. Today I want to talk to you about something very important. In this COVID-19 pandemic, it's very important that we are keeping our areas clean. We're doing our hand washing. We're making sure we keep the virus sort of contained. And one of those things is cleaning your devices. Devices carry a lot, and I mean a lot, of germs and microbes and icky, funky stuff. So today I'm going to talk to you about cleaning. Now, everyone, for the most part, has, some computer cleaner, or they do basic wipe downs and stuff like that. But this is like the COVID-19 protocol. Instead of your standard, device cleaning, we're going to clean with alcohol. Our first ingredient here is isopropyl 91%, 99% also good, 70% good, 60 not so much. But if it's all you have, it's better than nothing. Okay, so our key element here is this isopropyl. Clean rag, couple of Q-tips. I like these cool black Q-tips, and your device, iPhone, Android, whatever. Now, other thing that's important, because it goes in your face, your earbuds, headphones, things that are in high contact with your face, you're going to want to clean those too. Today we're going to talk about the AirPod Pros, but this applies to basically whatever you have. So, key element, don't spray the device, okay? Spray the rag. Alcohol is not going to harm it, but just don't create the habit, because when you are cleaning it again regularly with swoosh or something, not good for the device. So spray the rag nice and good. Give it a wipe down. Now, you're going to see wet streaks because of the alcohol. It's okay. Do not dry that part off. You want to let it air dry. That is the key to the medical protocol for cleaning. The key is it must dry for 90 seconds. That 90 seconds of drying down will help evaporate some of the gross stuff. Okay? Now, again, one more time, I'm just going to wet the rag. I'm going to double up just because, hey, it's that kind of time. Wipe it down. Again, it's going to be a little damp, but that's okay. Oy. Let it air dry. Now, take your device, headphones, pods, whatever. Pull them out of the case if you have. We're going to start initially with wiping down the outside. Okay? Take the wet part of the alcohol rag, give them a good rub. Take the little areas inside, pull the buds out. Okay, buds are more important than the case, but we're just going to do the whole thing because it's that time of day. I'm doing this about 3 or 4 times a day right now because, hey, they got to keep touching your face. And then this isolation, self-distancing, you probably use your device a little more than normal. Okay, if you have AirPod Pros, pull the little rubber guys off. If you have Beats or something else, take the little rubber guys off. Wash these, soap and water. That's the best way. Soap and water is better than alcohol in this particular situation. That's a whole different conversation. So once I have those off, I'm going to take my rag, again here on the wet section, which evaporates really quickly because it's that high concentrate alcohol. We're just going to give them a good rubby rub. Let that go down to dry for 90 seconds. Give this another good rub, paying good attention to these little areas which might be gunked up. So take your Q-tip, give it a spritz, and you're going to clean these areas that come in contact with your ear. There might be a little wax or something. Mine are kind of clean because I've been wigging out on this for the last couple weeks. But just go ahead and give them a good wipe down. Again, that 90 seconds to air dry is the key. I'm going to keep repeating it because that is the important. Letting it air dry. Okay, once this is done and you have washed these with soap and water, those you can wipe with alcohol later to help them dry. All you have to do is push it back on for the click. Just take your little connector and pop it back on, and then put it back in the case. Same with the other side. And what you have here, friends and family, is a nice clean set of AirPods, or AirPod Pros in this particular case. And again, this works with all of your headphones, your Beats, your AirPods, your Sennheisers, your JVCs, whatever you have. It's important to wipe them down with alcohol during this COVID-19 pandemic. This will help you from put it in your face, because you can't help but touch your face in order to use your devices. And again, devices carry lots and lots and lots of germs. So for right now, on my protocol, I'm doing this about 3 or 4 times a day. Your mileage may vary, do what you will, but it's important that you wipe it down with alcohol. Windex is not going to work, don't ever do that. Your standard computer cleaner stuff, not going to work. In this particular case, it's going to be alcohol. If you don't have spray, you can use alcohol wipes, the kind that you get when you get a shot. That works very well too. A lot of your screen protectors came with alcohol wipes. Use those and do what you can to keep it down. Share this with your friends and family. It's kind of important. I hope this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. If you have questions, comments, or feedback, drop them in the space below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Doc Rock. We'll see you again. Aloha.